wonder if your home's foundation is really safe? Sometimes the smallest issues can lead to big problems, but catching those early can save you a ton of money. Let's chat about the early signs of foundation issues and what you should do about them. You might see hairline cracks in your drywall, doors, and windows that don't quite close right, or tiny gaps in your floors and walls. These might seem like minor annoyances, but they could be hints your foundation is shifting. Every foundation settles a bit over time. That's normal. But if it starts settling unevenly, it can mess up your home structure. The longer you ignore these signs, the worse it gets. Think sagging floors, leaning chimneys, and basement walls that bow in. Let it go too long and you're looking at major repairs and big bucks. So, what should you do in the spot of these signs? Act fast, but don't DIY it. Homeowners often miss these critical signs that pros would catch. Experts know exactly what to look for when checking foundation issues. They have the skills and the tools to spot early signs and figure out the best fix. Just like you get regular checkups with the doctor, you should get annual inspections for your foundation. It's preventative maintenance for your biggest investment, your home. Early detection is key to keeping your home structure solid. Small signs can escalate quickly, so getting professional inspections and timely repairs is crucial. Avoid mistakes and trust the experts to keep your home safe. Call Groundworks today for a free foundation inspection.